even more wildlife that we have out here. We got 2 squirrels. It is fun living in the country. I still don't see the woodpecker, but he hasn't flown off because he took a break for a second. Oh, there he is. Well, sound-wise, there he is. I still don't see him. Huh. Nope, I don't see him. Usually they're a little bit colorful in the head region so you can pick them out, especially when they're moving, but the last one we had out here, he didn't care that I was underneath him and taking pictures and video. This one seems to be a little bit less excited. Oh, I see stuff moving. I might have found him. No, maybe not. Huh. Man, I really hope I find him whenever I look at this video later because I am not seeing him right now. Of course, I'm going to take a wild guess and say that if I can get woodpeckers up here, my trees aren't doing as good as they should. Because the last one that we had was pecking on a tree that had been dead for probably years, and the previous owner just hadn't removed it. And I usually do, especially where it was at. I see movement way up there, but I don't see a woodpecker. Don't want to get too close because I don't want to mess up his vibe. But I think, oh, there he is. I see him now. Let's see if I've got the camera on the right spot. Yep, there he is. Here's the woodpecker. He's a lot smaller than I remember the last one being. Yeah, I'm not a professional camera person. There's no way I'm going to be able to keep you in frame. Great, now he's moved and I don't know where he went. Yeah, that is a woodpecker.